Alam mo ba, may mga phrasal verbs na pwede nating gamitin kung tungkol sa problema at solusyon ang pag-uusapan. Talk over. Mag-usap ng masinsinan para masolusyonan ang problema. Example, they talked it over and found a solution to the problem. Sort out. Pag-isipan at ayusing maigi ang mga bagay-bagay para makapagdesisyon ng maayos. Example, you need to sort out this problem so we can move on with the plan. Deal with. Harapin at gawan ng paraan ang problema. Example, they have to deal with the issue immediately to avoid complication. Face up to. Tanggapin ang katotohanan, especially ang masakit na katotohanan. Example, Jenny need to face up to the reality that Mark doesn't love her. See about. Gawan ng paraan. Example, please see about getting the internet connection fixed. Come up with. Mag-isip ng paraan. Example, Jose came up with a plan to solve the garbage problem here. Narrow down. Tanggalin ang mga hindi importante sa options para mas madaling makita ang sagot o ang solusyon. Example, the teacher has narrowed down the list of options for the students to choose from.